Now, the console, as you can see, is being put in its place, and our chief guest will be switching on the lights fairly soon. But before he does that, we have to ask him to give his message. But before I do so, let me give you a very brief introduction of our chief guest, Dr. Ramesh Mehta. Dr. Ramesh Mehta, after qualifying as a medical doctor, came to the UK in December 1974 to join a GP practice here in the city of Leicester. As a matter of fact, not very far from here, his GP practice was situated just a stone's throw away from the Golden Mile in Halkin Street. Dr. Ramesh Mehta and Dr. Shashikala Mehta are proud parents of their only child, Viren, who has joined the rank of his parents by qualifying also as a doctor. Besides running a very busy and successful GP practice, Dr. Ramesh Mehta was very passionate about charitable and voluntary service. So much so that in 2005, Dr. Mehta retired early from his profession so that he can devote all his energy and his time to promoting religious, social, and charitable causes and harmony. Dr. Ramesh has served the wider community through his association with large number of charitable organizations that includes SACRA, Leicester Council of Faiths, Gujarat Hindu Association, to mention a few. But ladies and gentlemen, the major benefactor of Dr. Ramesh's voluntary work has been the Jain Samaj Europe UK, with which Dr. Ramesh Mehta has been associated since 1977 in various capacities. Dr. Ramesh's fundraising activities have encompassed successive Lord Mayor's appeal, hospital appeals, and of course fundraising for overseas natural calamities. Dr. Ramesh had raised a very large sum of money for Jaipur limb appeal to provide artificial limbs for the victim of the 2001 earthquake in India. Dr. Ramesh hallmark has been his devotion and service to those who need the most, those affected by natural calamities, and he has always worked tirelessly and selflessly for such good causes. I commend the Managing Committee of Leicester Hindu Festival Council for selecting Dr. Ramesh Mehta for switching on the Diwali lights this year. Please put your hands together for Dr. Ramesh Mehta. Now, Dr. Ramesh Mehta, it is your time. It is the time when I've got to ask you to pass your message on this day.
Thank you very much. The City Mayor, Sir Peter Soulsby, my Lord Mayor Ted Cassidy, Mr. Magan Bhai, ladies and gentlemen, Jai Jinendra, Jai Shri Krishna, and Sat Sri Akal to all friends gathered here and listening on the radio. Sivamastu Sarva Jagata Parahitantata Bhavantu Bhutagana Dosha Prayantu Nasham Sarvatra Sukhi Bhavatu Loka. May the entire universe be blessed. May all beings engage in their others' well-being. May all weakness, sickness, and faults diminish. May everyone and everywhere be healthy, peaceful, and blissful. The Leicester Hindu Festival Council and the Leicester City Council has bestowed a great honor in selecting me to switch on the Diwali lights today, and I wish to thank them on behalf of the entire Jain community of Leicester. The Jains celebrate Diwali as on this day, some 2542 years ago, the 24th and the last Tirthankar, Bhagwan Mahavir, freed himself from the cycle of birth, death and rebirth and achieved moksha or nirvana at Bhavapuri in the state of Bihar. Realizing that his moksha was imminent, Bhagwan Mahavir gave a continuous sermon lasting 48 hours, which has been recorded in one of the 45 holy books called the Uttradhyan Sutra. The messages and lessons of non-violence, peace, tolerance, and friendship that he spoke about are as relevant today as they were 2,500 years ago. 18 kings who were present during the sermon lighted divas or lamps as a sign of rekindling of the knowledge, and hence the Diwali festival was born. Many Jains fast for 2 days prior to Diwali and then spend the entire night of Diwali in the temple. The night will be spent chanting mantras and imbibing message of non-violence to all living beings, friendship to all, peace in the entire world. May I wish all a happy Diwali and a prosperous New Year. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Ramesh Mehta. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we will move towards the switching on, and therefore I will request our priest Mahendra Bhai to start reciting the mantras, the sloks leading up to that event.
Reem namaste ganapate tumeva pratyaksham tattvamasi tumeva kevalam kartasi tumeva kevalam dhartasi tumeva kevalam haratasi tum brahma tum vishnu tum rudras tum indras tum aganis tum vayus tum surya tum chandramas tum brahmurabhuvasvarum ganadina purvamucchare varnadi sadantaram अनुस्वारः परतर अर्धे दुर्शितं तारलनुद्धम् एतत् मनुस्वरूपं दकारः पूर्वरूपं मकारो मध्यम रूपं मनुस्वारश्चल्लरूपं वेदोरुतररूपं नादः सन्धानं सहिताः सन्धिशेष गणेश विद्या गणकरुषेः गायत्री छन्द गणपतिर्देवता ॐ गणपतये नमो नमः एकदन्ता विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात् एकदन्तं चतुर्हस्तं पाशे अंकुशधारणं रदं च वरदं च हस्ते बिभ्रामणं वशकध्वजं रक्तं लम्बोदरं सर्वकर्णकं रक्तवाससं रक्तगन्धानुलिप्तं रक्तपुष्पैः सुपूजितं भक्तानुकम्पिनं देवं जगत्कारणमुच्चृतम् अवेरभूतं सृष्टियादौ प्रकृते पुरुषात् परम् एवं ध्यायन्ति नित्यं स योगी योगिना वरः नमो वातपतये नमो गणपतये नमस्ते अस्तु लम्बोदराय एकदन्ताय विघ्ननाशिने शिवसुताय श्रीवरदमूर्तये नमो नमः नमस्तेस्तु महामाये श्रीपीठे सुरपूजिते शङ्खचक्रगदाहस्ते महालक्ष्मी नमस्तुते नमस्ते गरुडारूढे कालासुरभयङ्करीं सर्वपापहरे देवी महालक्ष्मी नमस्तुते श्वेतांधरे देवी नानालङ्कारभूषिते हरिः ॐ नमो हरिहन्ताणम् ॐ नमो सिद्धाणाम् ॐ नमो आयर्याणाम् ॐ नमो उज्जयायाणाम् नमो लोये स्वासुणम् एषो पञ्चनमुक्कारो स्वपासणो मङ्गलाणां च सव्येशं पठं हवये मङ्गलम्.
Thank you, Mahendra Bhai. Now I will request the city mayor and President Magan Bhai P. Patel to escort the chief guest, Dr. Ramesh Mehta and Dr. Shashikala Mehta, to the console place to start the switch on. City mayor. Right, we will start the countdown in the reverse order, and we will start from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Light up! Ladies and gentlemen, you've just witnessed the switching on of Diwali lights here on the Golden Mile, Belgrave Road here in Leicester. All the best wishes for you, and Diwali will be celebrated, ladies and gentlemen, here in Leicester, in Cossington Park on 11th of November.